Hello everyone, this is Ash. We're back to Satisfactory. So in this video, I want to do some more automation. We have some systems kind of working out and some systems not so much. But we did get a lot of biomass material that we can make biomass out of. So I'm going to go ahead and start by making some biomass. Let's get here to the thing to make it. We have leaves. We have, oh, this one now also can make biomass. We now have hog protein, the splitter protein, power shard. What is this for? Power slug, mucus compressed into solid crystal-like shard, radiation power. Huh. Okay. That might be useful as well. That probably could be something to power the machines. Solid biofuel. So we do have a lot more stuff because we did some research. So for now, I mean, I have a lot of this stuff. This might be valuable. But I'm going to do leaves. I'm just going to craft a bunch of leaves. So Mad Carrot did mention a couple things I could do. I could hold space here, for instance, and just continuously craft. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, actually, you said I could just press space. There we go. I just pressed it and then kind of can just not worry about it anymore instead of holding it. And then I could also hold the E button to pick up leaves and stuff a lot more efficiently. I also have my controller plugged in. I was playing a different game that required a controller, so hopefully it doesn't pick up any controls from that device. It's a PS5 controller. Okay, so can I walk away now? No? Okay. That was worth an attempt. So once you hold it down to 3, oh, you don't even have to hold it down. You just press it one time and that's it. Nice. So we have screws, we have copper ingots we can make. We have all kind of stuff. And we have enough biomass now, I'm sure. Well, now I can't afford it anymore. Okay, so let's go over here and go pop some biomass into these machines. Yes, let's go ahead and place you in there. Get that one nice and running. And you need a lot of biomass. So we're going to drop 200 right there. Get these machines running, get them operating. That's the first step to this process. Then we need everything to be, oh, hello there. It looks so nice when the planet's moving like this. Okay. So I did change the bitrate on my video for streaming. I'm planning on streaming this game at some point. Actually, I was going to do it for my birthday. My birthday was Sunday. Sunday, September 15th. But I ended up getting a little bit busy. Okay, so we have the crafting bench. We're crafting. We already have plenty of biomass. Let's see. What do we do over here now? Object scanner. This is a new item. So what do we need? Screws. We need screws. We need wires. So we need 20 wires and 50 screws. Okay. I wouldn't mind trying for a new item. So let's build 50 screws. That should be simple enough. Oh, sorry. Let me just tap it actually. Getting some screws. We should have plenty of these iron rods over there being crafted. I'm gonna have to do a lot more manufacturing, get some of my conveyor belts set up and everything, which I'm going to get everything very systematic in this place. I'm gonna make this base easy to access. What I want to do is I want to build a foundation first, like around my hub. I want a foundation, just everything flatland, of course, except for the machines that need to harvest different materials. I have plenty of screws now. And now I just need some copper wire. So are these actually doing anything? Let me see. Well, you don't have any copper, so how can you do anything? Copper ingots, and we have copper ingots here. So I guess I'll just put whatever copper ore I have right there. And then you need iron. Okay, let me go get some materials for you guys. I really need to get a harvesting system set up for this, for copper manufacturing. Okay, so we have iron and we have, let's just grab a stack of iron first of all. We need copper. Let's see, I need to sort this actually. So there's copper ore. Copper ore looks a little more rocky. It's a couple copper ore. Let's grab those two. I'm gonna go place some of these machines. I can only do one stack at a time, right? Okay. I mean, if I could feed into this, maybe I could just feed directly from a storage or something. Like place, actually let's try that. Place the storage right here. I'll just get all my copper moved over and see if I can feed directly into it. Okay, so how do I craft again? It's this button, and then so I need a space elevator. It's kind of my goal, right? Is to make a space elevator. Our logistics, let's go to organization, storage container. Oh, it's huge. It's huge. I guess I could craft it over here and just make a little bendy thingy. Can I place you on top? No. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to remove all this stuff and just move it around. That's okay though. Alright, here we go. We got some wires. Let's go grab these wires. That's what I needed for my stuff over here. I'm going to replenish my copper. Boop. Make sure my stuff's good over here. You need some iron. Get to work. Get to work. And now we should be able to manufacture what we need. So let's go ahead and build that. Press space. Give me it. I don't need to. I don't need to. No, no, no. Stop. Oh, great. Now I got two. Crud. Crud. Okay. So that's okay. I got a second one just in case I ever co-op this. Go ahead and place that over there. All right, let's see what it does, and I'm gonna store some of my stuff from my inventory over there. It's kind of full right now. Mercer sphere. I can click and choose pellberry, mushroom, nut. So pellberry, and it has this. So this way is a pellberry, is what you're saying. That's pretty neat. Okay, so let's go and store all that we have right now, and let's go towards the pellberry. I just want to try this tracking system out. Oh, is that pellberry? Oh my God, there's a pellberry. Very accurate. Very accurate. Oh, oh, this way, and then it shows me a distance too with the little bar. So if I go this way, then I'm gonna get a pellberry, right? Also, Trinity's still following me. That's cool. I don't know where you're at, Nova. Nova's behind me, and she was like, "Hey, where's my animal?" So I'm holding E. I was told you can hold E to. Okay, there it is. It was just you have to press it and then press it again and hold it, I guess. So this one's empty already. Nice. Okay, cool. So we got our manufacturing going. We're doing good with that. Let's go. I really need to get a manufacturing setup over on the other side for copper and stuff. That would be fun. That would be awesome. Also, what do I do with you? You're just kind of sitting here. You're being crazy. Okay, so we have a scanner. Special space elevator. What do we need for this? Oh, wow. Wow, we need so much. 400 iron rods. 1,500 wire. 250 iron plate. That one's doable because I have iron plates being produced. Iron rods is also doable. And then concrete is a different animal. I'm gonna have to build power generators and get those going. So first of all, we have these guys already moving. Yep. Let's go figure out how to set things up for a limestone. So first of all, I need a power. Let's see, power production. So we need a biomass burner. Do I have everything I need? No. So for biomass burner, I need 25 wire. So I'm gonna need 2 of those actually. So 25 wire, rods, and 15 rods and 15 of the plates. So first of all, let's go over here. How many wires do I have? 29. I'm gonna need more than that. I need a lot more than that. All right. Well, we have stuff being produced down here. Let's go grab it. Boop. 108. That's pretty good. Grab you. Put you over here. And basically, we have everything that we need to make the power generator right here. 200 of these. Perfect. That should be plenty. I'll just stick with 200. And then this one has plenty as well. All right. So let's go down here. I'm going to build a power generator over by the limestone. We're going to concentrate on limestone first, because that's going to give me... bam, 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 bam. Whoa! Boom. I fell so far. Yeah, I'm going to do the limestone first for the concrete. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna need some of you guys for the drilling machines. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna build a power system. How do I want this? I guess this way. This way? Yeah, maybe like this way. Alright, so I'm gonna build a power system. Biomass burner. Drop it right. Oh, that's not good direction. I can auto feed it, right? That's what that thing is for auto feed. Yeah, auto feed the burner. Boom. Just like that. Alright, so we got a power system down here. Now I need to build another one of you. Actually, I need a couple of you. So I'm going to build on the other side too. I'm going to need like 4 of these. Alright, let me go ahead and get this. Grab all. Pick up miner. We need a couple more miners. Let me go build them real quick. Then I'm going to make the mining system first of all. I'm going to start over on the other side too as soon as I get the materials I need. Just get them both going at once. Get this thing all automated. Make it easier for me. Oh, you scared me for a second. I thought it was something else, but no, it was just my little pet, my little buddy. All right, portable miners. I need a couple of you. I think 4. 1 more, please. Okay, that's good enough. Thank you very much. Now let's go down here. I should probably look at it first, right? See production. We have the miner. So we need concrete to even make the miner. So let's work on that real fast. 10. So I'm gonna need 2 stacks of 10. I'm gonna need 20. 20 concrete. Do I have it in here already? No, I do not. Do I have limestone? I have wood. Yeah, I do have it actually. Cool. So we have everything we need for the miner, right? Yeah, that's good. We only need 1 of the little auto miners. Then the smelter. We got plenty for that. And constructor. We need the reinforced plates. We need 2 of each. So we're definitely going to need some of those reinforced plates. We go grab another stack just to be on the safe side. Alright, reinforced plates are down this way. Oh, plates, not reinforced, but we're going to reinforce them. Come over here. Come on. Alright, let's go reinforce these guys. Over at the machine. I'm going to need a few more materials, though, but that's okay. We can do it. Reinforced plate. We need... What is this? Again, screws. So let's make a... Well, I have a lot of screws. I don't need to make more. The screws are all in here. Alright, and how many do we need? Let's double check that. 2, so 4. 4 reinforced plates. 1, 3, and 1 more. Boop. Okay, stop production. Thank you. Alright, now we have everything we need to build a system down here to get limestone auto-generating. Get everything set up. So we have our power already set up. I might have needed more wire now that I think about more cable. But that's okay. We'll do that when we need to. Let's go ahead and build a miner. Miner right here. Let's see. Can I turn that? Yeah, I can turn it a little bit. Yeah, I don't want it facing that way. I want it facing this way. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That rides the mountain line. Okay, so we need to power that thing up. First of all, before I power anything up... No, I should power it first before I do too much. So let's go with power line. Grab the power line from this. Right up there. Perfect. Lovely, lovely. Now we need to do smelter. So I was going to smelt it right afterwards. Whoever smelt it, dealt it. Ah, got him, got him. And boom. So we're going to need a conveyor connecting those two. And then last, we're going to need our constructor. So we might want to split this down here. You know, of course, that's going to slow down my production time a little bit. Okay, and that's all the machinery I need. Now I just need to get power distributed to everything. So let me go ahead and build a power pole first of all. Power pole going right. Power pole right about there should be good enough. So Mad Carrot said I can go into remove mode. Was that F, right? And dismantle the power line. Nice. Thank you, Mad Carrot, for the little suggestions. Very helpful. Without having to remove the entire thing. Okay, now connect to this one. And connect to this one. Okay, so let's get this thing powered up and see how we're doing. Everything's powered, right? Okay, biomass burner. We're gonna go ahead and throw some of this in here. It's going. And let's get you guys. Oh, we need our conveyor belt. That would be handy. Okay, and then once you're over here, then you're gonna become. You're not becoming any of these ingots, actually. I might need to skip that machine altogether right there. You're gonna become concrete. So this machine is useless to me. I need to remove it. Good to know, good to know. The constructor is going to need to move this way. So that's all I need is, let's see, constructor. That's much more simple than I thought it would be. Bam. And then I'm gonna build a storage down here. Let's see, power, logistics, no, organization, storage container. Drop this right there. It's not very lined up. It's funny. Okay, and let's continue this into that machine. Invalid conveyor belt shape. Alright, so let me go ahead and redo this. Yeah, dismantle the entire conveyor belt. And now let me replace it from here down to there. There, that's better. That shape works. And this machine can make it into concrete. Good. And then the concrete can go right into the storage, which, can I move this, by the way? Can I just move it? Hide HUD, dismantle. It doesn't look like I can just move it straight out. Mass dismantled. Okay, that's okay though, because now I can still curve this. It's interesting. It's not insanely straight, but it works. Why are you not making concrete? You need limestone, right? And the limestone is coming from here. Why is this not working? No power. Oh. Silly me, silly me. There we go. Now you're good. Now you got the limestone doing this thing. Alright, so this is going to make concrete for me. So that's very handy. Now, I need to find a better system for you guys. Something that produces better mass production. So I need a storage facility back here with a lot of mass. Biomass. So I'm going to work on that later. But for now, I'm going to go get the other one started. Like an automatic biomass producer would be really cool. Something that like has branches nearby or something like that. Okay, let's go up here. I had plenty of machines I could have utilized for this job actually. Which I still might need to because there's two, I think two. Okay, so let's grab all and then just pick up miner. Pick up miner. So it just gives me the copper too, that's good. And now I have a full inventory. Alright, cool. So now we need to... I think I should have it go kind of down that way because I want everything to like joint together, right? So, let's see. First of all, I'm not going to make the burner yet. I'll make the burner last actually so I can see kind of my plan first. So let's go to production. We're going to go with miner. And the miner will face this way. Yeah, that works. I see something moving by my base, by the way. It's just the machines. Alright, so that's fine. That works for the miner. And I'm going to go ahead and place a power facility right here next to it will be fine for a power facility. Let's build a biomass burner. Turn around, please. Kind of like right there. You have a weird elevation to you, but it works. Okay, and now let's get this. This machine's gonna have some drops on it for sure. Production. So we're gonna need that smelter. Okay, so we're gonna drop a smelter. But this one's actually gonna need a smelter. We're gonna go a little bit further down with this one. Actually, it's kind of a drop, but it'll be fun. It'll be a fun little drop for this thing. Okay, let's make sure our conveyor belt can do this before I get too invested. It's pretty far down. Uh-oh. Oh, I placed it the wrong way. Dang it. Alright, let's dismantle that real quick. Need to build another smelter, and this time properly. Let's do smelter. So we need the input to be in the back. Like this. It's gonna cost me a lot in production materials to get this built down, but that's okay. We have an infinite amount, right? We're just building these non-stop. Let's build you all the way down there. Wow. Well, it only cost me 11. That's not as bad as I thought. So something can easily interfere with that. It's okay. Now we need to build the constructor. Or we can just smelt. Oh, you know, that's a good idea. I wonder if I could just have it go into a storage and then have the storage split out into two different things. So it's like continuously building the materials, sending them. Let me see. What does the storage have? Storage container, one conveyor input port, and one conveyor output port. So technically it can output it and split it into two different directions, right? So let me see. Logistics, conveyor pole. Connects a conveyor belt segments. Pole height can be adjused. I know I built something that has a splitter. Maybe I haven't finished that entirely yet. I'm gonna need to build a crafting bench over here too, so that way I can work a little more efficiently without having to go back and forth. Maybe even a MAM center. Can't build another hub. It would be nice to be able to build one, but add to-do list. Oh, okay, cool. I like that. All right, so let's go to production. We're gonna do our constructor. No, I'm not going to do a constructor. I'm going to do exactly what I wanted to do. Organization. We're going to build a storage box right here. And there's a reason. Oh, I can do double-decker storage. Hang on. Oh my gosh. That's awesome, dude. So I can have it come back around and go up there. That is such a terrible placement. Hang on. This... Oh my goodness, I really need to fix up my base, but for now I need to get the production flow going. Okay, so it would be helpful if I could do like a top down for the placement. Let's see. Hide HUD, build menu. I mean, it says sampling with middle mouse button, but I don't really see that happening. Snap mode, hold left control. Okay, so you did mention this too, Mad Carrots, snap mode, so I guess that's better alignment. And then rotate hologram, right? Okay, I see. So snap mode does work better. Good. I need to do more snap mode stuff. Let's get that. Go right in there. So this machine is just going to go straight into storage, and then we'll figure it out from there. For now, I just wanted to get storage filled up, and actually it'll be really good for like biomass too. If I can get like something feed into a biomass storage and then that go into power, that would be amazing. Then it'll be like a self-generating power. I just don't know how to get biomass to be created. All right, so we're gonna hook all the power up. No, first of all, power pole, which is gonna go down here. Okay, and then we're gonna hook the power up from here down to the power pole. From the power pole to this guy. And from this guy over to here. And that is it for now. That should be plenty. Okay, so now you need power. So we have more biomass. I definitely need to figure out like a really good way to keep biomass in these systems. Okay, so let's get biomass in here. I'm gonna build a construction bench around this area so that way I can just, you know, pretty much everything's gonna need a construction bench. So that way I can just keep building biomass and just go grab it, build some biomass, get it going. Boom, boom, boom. Everything's being produced. You're going down there. This thing needs to be powered up. You're making copper ingots. Thank you. Then that copper ingots are going to go down here into this machine, which is going to store it nicely for me. And that's all I'm going to need from this one for now. Just the ingots. Just give me a bunch of the ingots. And basically, I should be doing that over there too. Just like make some, have it split off into ingots. I want to go see something over here. I want to see about getting that splitter that I'm talking about. I know it's something doable. And then a more efficient way to like get biomass too. So let's see, tier 2 parts assembly. There's this assembler. You can assemble 2 components, right? And then modular flame plating. Project part number 1 for the space elevator. I see. Okay, we got that one already. Jelly pads, jump pad. Send me across the map, I guess. Awesome sink. And a customizer so we can paint our building and stuff. Stackable. Is it this one? Conveyor belt Mark II. Transports up to 120 resources per minute. So it's just a more efficient way to send stuff. Stackable conveyor pole. So I can stack different conveyors. That's pretty cool. Conveyor lift transports up to 120 resources per minute between floors. So I can send it to multiple storage floors. All right, so we got logistics here, efficiency, conveyor lift. Here's the merger and splitter. That's exactly what I want. So I need this to be a milestone. Splits 1 conveyor belt into 2 or 3. Useful for diverting parts and resources away from backlogging conveyor belts. This is kind of what I want because then I can send those resources straight out of the storage, you know, and then split it and then have it go to 2 different things. Conveyor belt lift, and then we also have the merger so we can merge all these belts back together. I want this one. Select milestone. And I have 75 of these. I need more. Like that. Let's see, the iron rods. We got iron plates. We got plenty of iron plates. Let's go and place those. Iron rods. We have almost enough. Let's go ahead and get all this stuff and then we'll check it out again. Store all. We have iron rods right here, so that's plenty. Iron plates are right here. We also had a bunch of reinforced right there too. Okay, and then we need. Let's see. We just need the wires. So let's go. Our plates are already full, so let's place this and let's get the copper wires, which maybe are in this one. Maybe I don't have the copper wires. Let's see, copper wires. Not in this machine, not in that one. Okay, let's go check if they're being produced or if this machine's like just stopped now and dead. We got 146. That's enough to get the job done. These machines are not very efficient. I'm gonna have to definitely do something with those later. I'm gonna place this here. It's not enough. It's not enough, man. We do have enough copper though, so we can. Let's see, let's grab some copper here. Copper? That's not copper. Where are you, copper? Sort. That might help a little bit. There's that Caterium, the iron, and new. Yeah, go ahead and sort this one too. Do I not have very much copper ore? I mean, I know I'm producing stuff over on the other facility, different kind of copper. So yeah, we have all the copper on us right now. There's tons of copper. It's from those machines. Forgot to even check my own inventory because I have plenty. Okay, this thing's doing its thing. Coming over here, producing this. And I need a storage facility for you two, but you know that little merger is going to help get 2 different facilities into 1 storage container too. I can see how you can really make this compact. Like if these machines were like this and then I had a double stack of storage units, have one go up, one go down, could be pretty efficient. I'm guessing at some point you're going to be like, oh man, I don't have enough map space on this infinite map. And then you're going to want everything more condensed together and moved into 1 single storage unit. Okay, here we go. Get that copper. Let's go ahead and... I think that's enough. I'm not 100%, but I'm going to go check it out. Let's see. How we doing? So, yeah, we don't have enough at all. We need over 57 more. We need 57 more. And we got 10. It's going to take a minute. We got to wait for this machine to do its thing. I do have a lot of copper back at the other place, but I don't really have a production setup yet for that. That's kind of what this was for, right? I mean, I can build a production facility and have it pump right into that. I'm waiting for it. I'm going to let it stack up a little bit. Get a bunch of copper in that storage first. Make it more systematic. A little bit easier. In case I ever need this copper myself, you know. Okay. I'm not just going to wait here forever. I'm going to go build my own copper. Let's go get it done. Alright, let's see. Copper, wire. I need copper ingots. Let's do it. Oh, sorry. I keep forgetting I could just click. I could just press the button, man. Just press it one time and it's done. I'm sure I have plenty of copper ingots. I really need to do some organization, which I plan on doing like off of the videos and stuff. I've just been so busy lately. It's been a busy couple, well, month really, so far. You know, with the lack of income from losing the job and stuff. So I'm really just trying to put everything back together. Okay, come on, 45, 46. That should be plenty. Oh, you can just switch it direct. That's cool. Okay, and we need 57, so we're almost there. Almost there. We are there. Let's get this thing done. Launch it.
Milestone reached. Conveyor belts can now merge, split, and lift to save space and enhance the productivity of your factory.
Oh, thank you.
It encourages you to consider investing in verticality when it comes to factory logistics. If you feel stressed by this complexity, imagine yourself on the shore of a vast and calm ocean. Breathe in. Visualize all the people relying on you. The sea is made of billions of faces, each staring at you with hope and tears in their eyes. Breathe out. Feel refreshed and focused on your duties.
You're crazy. Okay, I need reinforced plates, by the way, which I have over here. Normally I go into editing and I amplify her voice and everything, but I don't really feel that's necessary. I don't know, unless you guys really enjoy hearing her voice be amplified. Aside from that, I'm just gonna keep playing. Yeah, because the editing does take quite a few additional hours for rendering and all that. Okay, so let's go up here. Now I got the copper plates I need and everything, so I'm going to build some kind of a production facility over here for different things of copper. And now I can build, you know, an automatic system. It's really cool is I can build the automatic system for cables and wire. I can just split it and have it go to 2 different storage facilities. Okay, so we got constructor. Let's build a constructor. So first of all, I want 1 constructor. I can snap it. I'm gonna have it go probably about there. And I have you snap about here. Okay, and I'm going to build this, but what I want to do, how do I... Missing concrete. Okay, I get it. I was gonna build it like halfway, build a splitter, and then have it split into 2 different conveyor belts. So let's go do that real quick. Make Make sure everything's doing great. At least now I can finally see where this is from up above. Let's go over here and get my concrete. Should be plenty. 193. Nice. I like having this automatic facility. I can just go get my resource. Now, I want a more efficient way to do this, like have an actual base-looking structure, you know, like I'm in the air base or something, where I don't actually have to step on the grass at all. That'd be awesome. Just everything be fully automated, which I'm sure at some point it's gonna be possible. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and build my conveyor first. I'm gonna build you right to about it's about fuse blown. It's probably just out of fuel somewhere. Yeah, that's fine. Then I'm gonna go over. Oh, that didn't finalize. You come out here. Yeah, just like that. Perfect, perfect. Now stay. I need a splitter. Perfect. Now I want you to split. Let's see. Go out that way. Yes. And then go out this way. Oh, I like it. I like it. All right, and then you're gonna build wire. Right. Then you're going to build... this might not even work properly, because what else am I going to build with copper besides wire? I mean, this could be super efficient. I could have both sides building wire, and then have one side turn into copper, and then both of them... Okay, yeah, that could be interesting. Or... Let me see. I'm thinking how I want to do this. Yeah, you're both going to build wire for now. I need to build a power extension. So let me go ahead and build a power pole and put it right here. Grab this electricity. Electricity for that one and for that one. It's probably going to have a lot of consumption for all the electricity I'm going to be using, but that's okay. Okay, so you guys are doing your thing. You're building that. And then you're going to put this into a storage. Let's see, I need another storage. This is so overly complicated, I'm sure. So the storage is going to go out here. It's getting closer to my other facility, so that's good. Alright, so I need you... You're going to go into a different building. You're going to become... I need one more constructor. Oh, shoot. Hang on. Get rid of this guy. One more constructor over here. Snap. And then you're both going to go into a storage facility right here in the dirt. Snap. That's kind of a awkward move for that. And then it's going to be kind of a far distance for this guy. Maybe I should do like a double stack. No. We're going to do a single stack. Alright, so you're going to go... Stop. From here into there. Wait. I'm doing this wrong. You're going to need to go from here... over to here, like that. You're gonna go well, I guess I should put this merger first to kind of figure out how this is gonna work. Just gonna stick that merger right there. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. Merged into that. Then you're gonna go into this. Can you make it? Uh-oh. That's backwards. Okay, this needs to be removed. Yeah, the lift. Nice. And then you need to go into... Why? Uh-oh. I guess this needs to move entirely onto this side. So then the storage is going to be right here. That's actually more convenient anyway, because then I can just grab it from there. So let's go ahead and get that storage container. Need the output to be, the input to be right there. Wait a minute. Where's the output? It merges it together and then it outputs it here? Is this thing just combines? Okay, so this has to be the output, right? Let me see. Yeah, that's the output. So I need to turn this entire thing around. All right, let's go ahead and get this. It's all wrong. I need to turn that whole thing around. I didn't pay attention to that all. Okay, let's go over here and we're gonna go merger. This is very important I get this right. Yes. Perfect, perfect. Now I need to build a storage facility this way. Yeah, just like this. And here we go. Perfect. Now we have all of it storing there from both facilities. But you need power. You need a conveyor belt and you also need power. Then let's get power going here. Boop. Perfect. So you're building wire, then this is turning it into cable. Yep. So this should be filling full of cable and then also wire, right? Let's see how this works. I haven't seen this yet. This is a merger. This is pretty cool. So it's gonna push out cable and wire at the same time, right? How's this supposed to work? It doesn't seem like it works very well at all, actually. The cable's just stuck there. Alright, change of plans. I'm gonna build another storage container on top. Gonna get rid of this thing entirely. I haven't really figured it out yet, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Let's get rid of this belt. Get rid of this belt. I don't lose all those resources, right? I don't know. They'll probably just go back inside. All right, and then we're going to get this thing. You're going to go in here. And this thing is going to go in the top. Nice. You're going to go anti-gravity. So how do I access that one? Cool. So you just look at it and you can pull it up. All right, cool. So everything's doing its thing. Whoop. This, now we have a good production facility for wire and cable. Mission successful. And then technically I can have these two output over this way for me into a different storage facility to make it a little bit easier. Have everything just go into one storage facility right here. Let's see. I need biomass. Let's go build some biomass real quick. Biomass, please. Let's see. Let me do this one as much as I can. I need to go grab more stuff, more biomass stuff. Come on, come on. Let's see what I got in those other containers for biomass. Got this. Oh, turn back on, please. Keep everything brewing. Everything needs to be constructing. Everything's getting pretty low. How you doing down here? Got some good biomass. Okay, cool. I mean, it's all rolling, man. It's rolling. Then over here we got more iron. You know, this would be a better production facility for like iron and stuff because there's multiple nodes for it down here. Yeah, there's some enemies, but I could easily deal with those, right? Just a little bit of tasing. They don't mind. They don't mind one bit. Now that I have all that producing, what can I do next? I have a new tier, so that's a plus. I did unlock one of the tiers, right? So let's see what other tiers can be unlocked now in this. Boop, boop, boop. Not the kind of tears you used to cry, though. Okay, we have base building tier, parts assembly. That gives me copper sheets, high corrosion pipelines, rotor. So this one we need for part of the ship stuff. Crafts 2 parts into another part. Yeah, that's cool. So I just need parts assembly. That's the only one that's required for the next milestone. Let's see, can I even space elevator? It says I need that for the hub, the space elevator, but I don't. This is doable. Now I have those wires being made, right? The copper wires. And I have everything being produced. Let's go grab the concrete. First of all, check my inventory. It's kind of full. Let's go ahead and store all and then sort. Oh, we have plenty of concrete there, actually. Biofuel. Do we have any? Yeah, we have plenty of these. Let's grab a couple of stacks of that. A lot of plates. We have more plates in here. That's just iron ingots. But we do have plates, so. Alright, let's see how we're doing. We need a lot more copper wire and ingots, which are down here. I mean, concrete. Let's go get those things. Hey, don't mess with my facilities. $132. That should help. And let's go check out my copper. What are you standing on? Your feet are being crazy right now, man. Pretty crazy. Let's go up here. Let's go check out what we could do with the my double stack over this way. Double stack. Yeah, we need a lot more wire. Perhaps I should have like doubled up on my wire. I did that at first anyway, and then split it off into cable. I don't really need the cable. It's okay, we'll get there eventually. How are we doing on the storage, by the way, back here? God, we're doing so much stuff. It's still keeping up. So every single node I find, I need to build a production kind of like this. And that's really what's going to set me apart in this game, right? That's what's going to keep things flowing. Like if I find another iron node, then I could create another iron system. Which honestly, right now, I'm doing pretty decent on. I really just need another copper one. Let's see, V. We have all this stuff we can find now, so we could find this ore. Let's see. Oh, down this way, is that ore? Pretty far away. And we have copper. How close is that? Already have that one. Copper's down that way. It's not too far away. It's doable. But I don't really feel like going and building a whole nother copper setup right now. We'll definitely do that in the future though, because it seems kind of slow for the wire production. What I'm going to do is let's go collect what wires we have, and then I'll probably just produce the rest of the wires myself, just to get ahead of the game with it. This thing's gonna be great for just going on an adventure, coming back, and then having the wires done, you know. But I need 1,000 and something wires, so I should probably just work on it too at this rate. We're gonna need some of these copper ingots. And do I have any more copper ingots? Not really. Okay, let's build a bunch of copper ingots. Montage. Burp, burp, burp. Okay, we're doing this thing. We're gonna build a ton of it. This entire thing. I think I have some more stacks of ore too, so we can use that ore and just make some more ingots out of the ore. Build as much wires as possible. I might actually have some wires in that thing too. I didn't even check for them. Might have used them for the crafting I did. 1,500, man, that's so many. Look how many screws we can get. Alright, let's start building some wires. Add to-do list. Right mouse button. So you can just kind of stay on the screen and AFK. Just have it on the to-do list. It'd be nice if you can make like a whole queue of tasks to do. I'm sure you can. Like queue it up. We're gonna finish the space elevator. That's my goal right now for this video. And then after that, there's so much to do. I think I really need to get a grip on organization, a better system. Now that we have access to like merging and splitting and everything, I should be able to come up with a better conveyor belt system for everything. Hopefully. 10. Okay, let's go see what we can do with this. Nowhere near what we need. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to stop those guys from building cable. Yeah, let's just forget the cable system. Shut this machine down. And here we are. We have a bunch of wire. So now I want to redirect this over to that machine. I might just put it straight into the conveyor belt. Maybe straight into this machine. Yeah, I don't need the cable built at all. So what I'm gonna do is destroy this. Cool. And that could probably save me some power too. Let me go check on my power over here actually. Get this done a little more efficiently. that's pretty low. All right, I'm gonna go gather some resources. Let me get the chainsaw out. Let's go gather some wood and stuff, and then we will continue with our construction. So let's do that real quick. Can't do very much if we don't have. I don't have biomass. Oh my god. We're gonna go grab that real quick. Boop. That's probably in the storage back here at the regular base. And we're gonna cut down all these trees, get us some nice biomass to generate, help these generators. Solid biofuel right here. Cool. Let's get these trees, baby. Basically, I need to just focus. Once all these machines are done, I'm just gonna have to worry about getting biomass, just running around, cutting down these trees, making everything nice. We'll be doing really good on biomass then. Leaves, wood, we get a lot from it, so it really does pay off. Let's get this thing. We're about to lose a generator. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna get right next to that power and I'm going to produce. Oh, well, first of all, I'm gonna grab this. Boop. Give me all that. Let's go over here and build a crafting bench. Maybe like right in this area. Production, special crafting bench. Yeah. Right up here. All right, let's build some biomass. Just seems more efficient to build another crafting bench right here. Leaves, and let's build some wood. Much as I can. And fill her up. Fill up my entire inventory pretty much. Good. And biomass. Boop. I would love to just drop a storage right here full of biomass for you. Just feed it into the machine. That would be amazing. Then I wouldn't have to worry about this for hours and hours. And now that that one's good, I'm going to grab more of this stuff. I'm still waiting for stuff to produce anyway. Get all these trees. Gonna go on a lumberjack rampage. I need to try out the group mode for this. Like if you go into a forest or something, just group mode might work great for that. Boop, 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 boop. Nice. A couple more of these trees and we should be golden. Okay. Grab this guy while he's right here. You're on my level? Yeah, okay. I didn't want to fall down again. Let's go up. How we doing on wires? 180 in this one. Nice, nice. I don't have any room for anything. Hang on. I'm gonna go fill these generators real quick. I should have filled the limestone one, but I think it's pretty full for the most part. Let's go ahead and stick you in there. Stack that one properly. That's. Biomass just is so efficient. Store all. Thank you. I'll come back for it later. I need to go get more stuff. Take all. Take all, thank you. Let's see how we're doing with our production. I'm gonna store it and then I'm gonna pull it right back out. Let's see. There's nothing to store. We're so close. We need 300 more. Alright, we're gonna help with that. So I'm still working on this, but I didn't I just realized you could just right click that and yeah, it said it the whole time, but you know what? I'm tired, man. It's all good. You just right click, you can do add to list. So you can start with this, right click this one and add that to the second part of the to-do list. Take a break, whatever, come back, and this should be done crafting. Too bad this character we're playing as can't take no breaks, right? Okay, we're getting close. We're almost there. I don't know if I crafted enough, but we're getting there. Okay, we need a little bit more. And then we should be at our goal. I mean, yes, I could just go get them from the facility behind us, the crafting thing, but I'd rather just make it. I'm already here. Why not? Let's get that closer to our goal. Add to-do list. So basically, we'd finish this thing and then move down. Alright, I'm just gonna move down manually. Thank you. Get it done. Have enough to finish the job. And get this thing finished. Nice. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let me grab the other resources out. So we need these. We're gonna need those plates. And we should be good, right? Right. We need more plates, more rods, and more everything. Right. Let's grab all this. All these plates. All these rods. And now we should be good. Where should we put the space elevator? I mean, I'm probably gonna tear all this stuff down, so let's see. Boop, boop, boop. Put the space elevator back here. That could be fun. Isn't this wide open spot? Yeah, let's do it. Oh God. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that thing's massive. Okay, we're gonna put it down here with the limestone. Like right there. Whoa. This thing's crazy, dude. Yeah, let me get up. I want to get up higher. Hold on. I want to see it from the sky. Whoa. What are you gonna do? That thing's awesome. So can I just get on that if I want to?
Project assembly initialized. Congratulations, Pioneer. The space elevator will now automatically connect with the Project Assembly orbital platform. Project assembly is divided into phases, each of which require the delivery of project parts, such as smart plating, via the space elevator. Subsequent phases unlock access to new tiers with more advanced technologies to construct, automate, explore, and exploit. It is time to be honest. This project is part of the Save the Day program, the largest united undertaking in human history, destined to save us all. Earth is in peril and only Fix-It pioneers offer hope for survival. Fix-It is counting on you. Humanity is counting on you. Do not let Fix-It down.
So this smart plating, this produces stuff? Load, cargo, seal, send. Unlocks tier 3 and 4. So I needed to be able to access these with conveyors. This thing just produces and sends stuff up. That's pretty cool. I want to go up. Load, awaiting cargo, seal, send. I can send it to space. And why would I want to do that? So I need to send 50 of those things. Well, first I need to unlock the tier that has them. So let's go see what is required for that, first of all. And then we can send them up. And apparently that's what space wants. So a real flat land is kind of ideal in this place. Like real flat. God, that thing's huge. I can see my base from far away now. Alright, let's go over here to my little camp. I feel so tiny. Alright, so we have a lookout tower. We should build a lookout tower because it's funny. And then all the foundations and stuff would be fun too. Build ourselves a little house. That would probably be the next video, is when I would build a little house and a lookout tower in the middle of it or something. That'd be pretty neat. So we got awesome shop, awesome sink. Let's see, logistics. Which one is? It's this one. Smart plating, part 1. Ship via the space elevator. So I need to finish this milestone. This is going to be the next objective. Finish the part assembly milestone. Send that up to space with a space elevator. I might need to rebuild the space elevator because I put it in a kind of a funny position. Okay, cool. Well, that's all the time I have. Make sure you guys check out the Patreon and like and subscribe. I don't have anyone as a member on Patreon yet, but I do make content for it regularly. I'm trying my best to do like horror games on there, you know, different playthroughs like Stardew Valley, stuff like that. Things that I won't put on my normal YouTube video channel, I put over on Patreon. But I would appreciate it if anyone wants to check it out. Some of it's free. I would, you know, I'm really trying to promote my Patreon so that way I don't have to rely just solely on YouTube as the primary thing going on. You know, I like having something else set up too, like a backup plan, I guess you could say. Wow, that guy almost flew into my space elevator. Alright everyone, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. And, you know, I'm super tired, it's late. It's been a long day. But yeah, leave a comment, let me know what you think of Satisfactory so far. Appreciate all of you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Boy, this guy looks tiny now.